Can you imagine an animal that never drinks water, not even once in its entire life? It never gets thirsty, never takes a single sip. And the most unbelievable part is that even if you place water right in front of it, it still won't drink it. How is that even possible? What incredible trick does its body perform that allows it to survive the scorching heat of the desert without ever drinking water? The answer will blow your mind. But first, let's learn a few amazing facts about this tiny creature. It's called the kangaroo rat, a small rodent found in the dry deserts of the American Southwest and northern Mexico. It measures only about 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 16 centimeters, long. It gets its name because, like a kangaroo, it stands on its powerful hind legs and hops. In a single leap, it can jump nearly 6 feet, 1.8 meters. But its real superpower isn't its jumping ability, it's what happens inside its body. The kangaroo rat survives by eating only dry seeds. Since seeds contain very little water, where does it get the moisture it needs? The answer is incredible. Its body actually makes its own water. Energy stored in seeds, a chemical process produces water as a byproduct. This is called metabolic water. Even more astonishing, about 90% of the kangaroo rat's daily water needs come from this internal process. The remaining 10% comes from the tiny amount of moisture naturally found in the seeds it eats. For comparison, the human body can generate only about 10 to 12% of its water needs this way. The kangaroo rat also has one of the most efficient kidneys in the animal kingdom. Its kidneys produce extremely concentrated urine, about twice as concentrated as that of a typical rat, and nearly 5 times as concentrated as a human's. That means it loses only a few drops of water through urine, while conserving almost all the water inside its body. It doesn't stop there. Even its droppings are extremely dry, helping prevent any unnecessary water loss. And the final fact is perhaps the most incredible of all: its breathing. Normally, when animals exhale, they lose a significant amount of moisture in their breath. But the kangaroo rat has a specially adapted, cool nasal passage. As warm, moist air leaves its lungs, the water vapor condenses inside its nose, turning back into liquid before it can escape. That water is then reabsorbed into the body. In other words, its nose works like a natural water recycling system. That's why this remarkable little rodent has made the harsh, dry desert its home, without ever drinking a single drop of water.